My name is Tim, general maintenance. I was looking for a job and I saw one posted on Indeed for general maintenance, and it was something I had the skills to do. Yeah, general maintenance is something different pretty much every day. We have our morning meeting and we determine what needs to be done that day. Supervisors let me know what needs to be done, where they need me. It can be doing work orders, it can be helping the trades people, electricians, plumbers, assisting them with their duties. My teammates, working with them, they're great people, very friendly, and they know their business. They know what they're doing when it comes to facilities, and they're willing to help me, train me. It's a lot of walking. I am everywhere in the building, from the casino floor to restaurants, kitchens, the roof. So yeah, usually by the end of the day I'm pretty wore out. I would definitely recommend it. Come on in and see what they have to offer. Like I say, the people are very friendly here, and it's a great work environment, and an opportunity to learn all sorts of things. There are plenty of opportunities to move up and advance. If you got a department, you can switch to other departments. If you come in facilities, but you think that you'd be better at, would like to do something else, restaurant manager or whatever, there's all sorts of jobs that you can move around, and the casino's more than willing to train you and help you advance. I had quite a bit of training, one-on-one with a coworker for several weeks, and then also when I helped the tradespeople, electricians, plumbers, HVAC, they were more than willing to help me out and give me guidance. For facilities, it would be somebody that likes to stay busy. There's always something to do, especially a GM. You can clean the shop, put tools away, inventory parts. There's, like say, tradespeople that always need an extra hand, and so somebody that likes to stay busy, somebody that likes to work. Yeah, there are 3 shifts. There's one that starts at 7 in the morning till 3 in the afternoon. Then the swing shift starts at 3 to 11, and the grave shift is 11 to 7. The TDR, the team dining room, is very affordable, and it's great food. The benefit or the bonuses, we get a couple bonuses a year. The WEEA slips that supervisors give out are nice.